Hello everyone! I'm so excited to share this video with you, and I'm sure it will be an exciting experience. Take a moment to watch. It definitely won't disappoint. The content is incredibly interesting and valuable, bringing you new insights and an engaging experience. Don't miss out.
Oh my God.
Powerful gusts from tropical storm. Ian suddenly tore the roof off a house, leaving destruction in its wake. Nature shows its true power. A spectacular snowstorm unleashes its fury. The accumulation of ice creates a mystical phenomenon of electric flashes, with bursts of light flickering across the frozen sky, both mysterious and breathtaking. Impressive. This giant snake has resiliently survived in the harsh grasslands of South Africa. The car crashed straight into the veterinary clinic after the driver accidentally hit the gas pedal instead of the brake. Witnessing the flood sweeping away all the vehicles made me reflect. Everything in life is so fragile, and all our efforts can vanish in an instant. In just a few short seconds, a structure that had stood for decades crumbled into a pile of rubble. A herd of reindeer glided through the thick snow, carrying with them the magical harmony between humanity and nature. Nature once again showcased its undeniable power. The raging waters swept away a concrete bridge, a symbol of human progress in the East. beaches of Queensland lit up, transforming into a grand stage for a magnificent display of light and sound orchestrated by nature itself.
They just got worse. The upper half just turned to a river.
Oh my God, I can't believe I actually got. Keep the door closed. Whoa!
On January 20th, fierce waves pounded the Marshall Islands,
Jake, are you okay?
creating a scene of
Down here!
chaos. On January 30th, the sea was raging with 70 kilometers per hour gusts and 6-meter-high waves. The harsh conditions thwarted efforts to tow the Modern Express, leaving the vessel adrift with a 50-degree tilt. A playful killer whale accidentally got trapped in the ice in eastern Russia. Luckily, it was successfully rescued by a dedicated rescue team. A daring man rides a jet ski through the raging floodwaters in Saudi Arabia, risking it all against the powerful current. The molten lava, like liquid gold, roars as it cascades down the slopes of Hawaii's volcano, colliding with the ocean in a fiery dance between flame and steam. Amazing! When well-fed, animals can live in harmony, creating a peaceful scene rarely seen in the wild. A controlled explosion marked the retirement of the road bridge near Dortmund, Germany, which had been standing since 1961. The end of an era, paving the way for a new chapter. The Kilauea volcano continues its relentless eruption, with molten lava surging through the Puna district, destroying 31 homes. Over 1,700 people have been forced to evacuate in an emergency. Typhoon Noru stirs up ferocious waves off the coast of Amami Island, a powerful reminder of the ocean's immense and unpredictable strength. Unbelievable. A massive great white shark suddenly stranded on the shore. Nature never ceases to bring the most unpredictable surprises. A small plane unexpectedly clipped the treetops near the parking lot at Robertson Airport. A doorbell camera captured the moment a lightning bolt struck directly into an oak tree in the front yard.